Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to curve and flip text on a circle using Canva. It's quick, easy, and perfect for eye-catching designs. Let's get started. Now go to the left side menu and click on Apps. In the search box, type text Pathmaker. When it appears, click to open it. Once you're inside, select a custom shape. We'll choose circle for this example. Type your text in the box. Want to flip it? Just turn on reverse path. Your text will instantly flip along the curve. Now style it up. Change the font, the text color, make it bold or italic. You can even add a background color or a soft outline for extra impact. Want something unique? Try the draw path option to sketch your own curve. Your text will follow whatever shape you draw. When you're happy with it, just click Add to Design. The curved text will drop right into your Canva project. You can resize, rotate, or layer it with your other elements. Other solution, just click on Text, type the text you want, and click on Effect. Then in the Shape section, click on Curve and style it up. And that's it. You've just flipped curved text using Canva in under 3 minutes. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comments for more tips.